Today, we're going to be doing a bit of an update on the C50, and things are changing a little bit. So as projects go, sometimes they change, things happen, and you make different decisions on things. And that's what today's going to be about for this C50. So tag along while we go and make some more bad decisions. All right, so we've got the car trailer loaded up and we're ready to hit the road to go grab something. All right, well, there it is. Pile of Chevy stuff, loaded up. Rightfully so. Buddy didn't want me to show his place, and totally get it, but super cool guy. Anyways, there it is, and I'll show you more about it when we get home. Well, look at what I found. Look at all these old tractors. Look at these things. All this cool stuff. Look at this. I like this one, rusty. 1939 to 1946. Huh. Look at the old combine. Look at that. Huh. Look at this. Would you look at it? Look at them all. Wow. That's pretty darn cool. Look at this little guy. Isn't that cute? A pony, number 11. Huh. That's pretty cute. This guy with the mower on it. Massey Harris's. Old tip bucket. That's pretty wild. Buddy across the street's got some cool stuff too. Got some trucks over there. Look at that. That's pretty neat. Look at that. Pretty cool. All right, well, here it is. This is what I've picked up. This is going to be the frame for the C50. This is a 67 to 72 Chevy 1-ton cabin chassis frame, dually obviously. And so this is what I'm going to be putting that cab on, because it should mount right on. So all these cab mounts should line up nicely. So that should all work. The front clip part of it, I'm not quite sure how that's going to line up yet. I'm hoping it lines up, but if not, that'll be okay. So this is a drum brake chassis, but it came with a disc brake front clip, and believe it or not, it was manual. Man, I couldn't believe driving a 1-ton dually manual. Anyways, so this has disc brakes, so I'll be able to take even just the spindles out of that, the spindles and calipers, whatever. The calipers are probably junk on there, but I'll be able to take the spindles off and get rotors and everything and put them on this front clip, because this is a Southern frame and everything is really nice. Just a, you know, very mild sort of rust on it, not even, I mean, no major pitting or anything. It's really nice frame, so that's why I wanted to pick this frame up. So I'll do a pour 15 coat on that and make it look really nice, but that's going to work well. My small block Chevy will bolt right in nicely. I got a drive shaft for it as well, so this drive shaft should work also. Tranny mount should line up, I hope. Anyways, it all should work. If the tranny mount doesn't line up, that's okay, I can make one, but this is what the C50 is going to go on, so should work really well. This rear end has got to go. I don't think I'm going to use this rear end. I'm going to get a newer Chevy truck rear end, because this is almost impossible to find brakes for, just like the C50 itself. So that rear end will go. I'll use another one, which doesn't matter because I don't care about any of these mounts or anything, because I'm going to do air ride anyways. So all this stuff can basically go and doesn't really matter. It's going to be a 4-link setup anyways back here. So So anyways, thanks for tagging along with me. Please like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. The C50 build will be pushing along, the Mercury build's pushing along, and so is the Skylark. So we're working on everything, we're getting going on stuff. Something's going to be on the road this year before the snow flies, I guarantee it. Take care.